but on the proper terms.
Sir, can you specify yung proper terms?
Well, the proper terms would be basically the compensation. Compensation, because as you know, we are giving up. If they establish a military base here, we are giving up the international tourist destination, which is supposed to result in so much revenue for the SBMA. But again, as I said, in deference to national security concerns and in deference to, of course, the Department of National Defense, we will have to look for a situation in which we can coexist side by side. So we will continue to try to develop this. The ideal thing would be a mixed-use arrangement in which we can still bring in the general aviation, executive jet charters, emergency evacuation. I mean, all of these other things that the airport can be used for. And as I mentioned also earlier, we have a plan B for the tourist development, basically the boardwalk area. That's what we will be developing. So we will need the airport to bring in the foreign tourists.
Sir, yung coordination ng DND, malinaw ba with SBMA?
Ano?
Yung coordination with the Department of National Defense.
Yes.
Yung mga plans nila, coordinated ba with SBMA?
Well, we will coordinate. I mean, I have just been put on notice that there is this plan. So I wrote back to Secretary Yasmin and I said I would like to sit down with him next week and work out the terms and reference.
Yung Malacanang po may guidance ba or directive?
I would presume that the DND is acting under the guidance of
directly,
Malacanang.
sir, sa SBMA?
No, wala pa.
Maski si Secretary po rin sa mga...
No. Wala pa. So I think that issue will come out when we sit down with the DND.
So this particular exercise, what in terms of revenue does it bring in?
Well, my own personal estimate is it's 3,000 Marines, and they spend an average of $1,000 during their stay. It's $3 million, not counting, take for example, the supplies that the U.S. Navy purchases in terms of, let's say, food or provisions or fuel. This is just personal expenditure of the military personnel. So it has quite a significant impact on the
Just to
local
clarify,
economy.
sir, for the military base issue, that's for a Philippine military base, not a U.S.
Yes, a Philippine military base, because as I said, under the VFA, U.S. military base is not allowed. At least on a permanent basis, it's not allowed.
But the DND said, sir, na they're going to use it with their American counterparts now.
Well, that's something that has to be clarified. Now, what will be the terms of reference of the use? I mean, on a non-permanent basis, on a temporary basis, like take for example FIBLEX or Balikatan or any other joint military exercise, that's allowed under the VFA. But a permanent base here is another question altogether.
Sir, this airport, as of now, is it operational? Is it being used?
It is operational. It's fully operational. But basically, it's being used right now for general aviation, mainly just jet charters. And then we also accept private aircraft and cargo planes. But as you can see from the airport, we maintained it in a very good position. We are now awaiting final approval for Astro Air, one of the jets parked out. They have 2 jets, and they plan to bring in the Taiwanese tourists back to Subic on a weekly basis. And there are other. I mean, we really have all of the opportunities here to make this a center for logistics in Asia, not only for the Philippines but in Asia. So that is the major effort. We're pushing with the government to use the international container port as a diversionary or as an alternate port to relieve the congestion in Manila.
Sir, will the airport be needing upgrades for VFA use?
No, maybe minor upgrades. As you know, we have the ILS and the VOR system. In fact, we are on par with Manila as far as the navigational aids are concerned. And they were also working out with to put in the GPS system. Because right now it's what they call the ILS, I think, the International Landing System, and then the VOR, what they call, which is a radar-guided system.
And who will be spending for this upgrade, sir?
SBMA. Because remember, SBMA owns this airport. We owned and we took out a $40 million loan for this airport.